Scarlet and Violet have released another new Pokemon. His name is Greavard. His name is Greavard. Hold on. Cut. Pause. I might have mischecked the name. Let's... Alright. His name is Greavard. Yeah, that's his name. Got it. Greavard is a ghost type. Apparently this guy is just like Litwick. This is the reason. He has a candle sticking out of his skull. Now let's draw the lower half of his hair. It's actually quite sweet that they allowed a new dog-related Pokemon onto the set. I'm incredibly prepared to meet this new guy. Alexa, what is Coachella?
The Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival is an annual event held at the Empire Polo Club in Indio, California. The festival centers around its high-profile music lineups, featuring both established and up-and-coming artists from a wide range of genres, who perform on themed stages across the festival grounds.
There we are. There he is. That's how you draw Greavard. I am amped for Scarlet and Violet to come out. This one goes out to those who play Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. And if you guys have any interest on what new Pokemon should come out next, I'd say it would be related to a Spinosaurus. Yeah, that's what I would say. Anyhow, that's a draw Greavard. I meant Greavard. And that's all for now. And anyways, I'm gonna head out to Roosevelt Field real soon. And I'm bringing this guy with me. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.